back.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus, yes. So, first of all, we have Cam's Blastoise hanging out with us today. He's going to hang out right here. So we got a few things today. So, first thing is the winner, Aaron, the winner of the first giveaway. He said that he either wanted us to open up the packs on the channel or give them to somebody else. So we've decided we're going to give them to somebody else. And how we're going to do the giveaway is on our Twitter. So you have to follow us on Twitter. And I will post more. We will post more on our Twitter. And we'll do our giveaway there. That's good. So, this is the pack that you can win, and there will be more to come.
Hippopotamus.
Alright, so first thing Cam's going to do, or you want to do it on video, but he's going to open up
Flareon.
this new battle figure set. So Cam's going to open that. There we go.
Ooh.
Oh, and if you guys notice my shirt, I just got that from soccer.
Alright, so there's Cam's new battle figures here.
Larvitar.
Oh, Larvitar doesn't want to stand up.
Let's see if Flareon goes.
Oh, got another Pikachu.
Let's see if Flareon goes. And a Flareon.
They don't want to stand up. And Flareon. So they can hang out. They can hang out with
Blastoise.
Alright. So the other things that we're going to open
Mine.
first partner packs. So
Mine.
Cam and Rose each have one to open.
I want to do it first.
Rose is going to go first.
Okay, let me open this up.
Yep, there you go.
Okay, so
Whoa!
we get 3 big cards.
So Rose got Turtwig, Chimchar, Piplup.
Ooh, it says what level they are. This is level 10, 8, and 9. That's cool. Look at them compared to my hand.
Those are Rose's big cards.
What's the mine hand? What's the Turtwig?
Oh,
Ooh.
bigger.
Ooh.
And then Rose got a
Turtwig.
Chilling Reign
Reign
and a Sword and Shield base set.
I hope
I
I
think I'm gonna open up my Sword and Shield.
Alright, let's set this right here. You'll open yours next,
Okay,
okay?
I got it open, but it doesn't want to open.
Here. Come on, Cam, we gotta show the camera first. Oh, there we go.
What energy? I think fire.
Well, you guys always guess fire. I'm gonna go electric. Fighting. Who's ready?
Flashy,
Corvisquire.
whatever he said.
It's a bird.
Citrus
Berry.
Mudbray, Grookey,
Hey.
Krabby, Rookity,
It's a bird.
Rhyhorn,
Rhyhorn. I like Rhyhorn. Craplocked.
it's a reverse hollow. Oh, Clobbopus goes into it.
And it's a rare.
Yeah.
Into a Cinderace.
I have like 10 of those.
You have a Cinderace?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, give me them so that I can.
Very nice.
Whoa, those are huge.
Rose's next pack
Turtwig.
is a Chilling Reign.
Turtwig.
It's a Turtwig. Alright. It's upside down. It's alright, throw it.
They can read it.
Alright, so this one is a Chilling Reign pack. What's the energy?
Fire.
I don't know.
Metal. Pick one.
Fighting.
It's water.
Melanie.
Whirlipede. Seabold. Aeron. Deliberate Presence. Larvesta. Or Larvesta. That's another rare. Nice. Into a Kecleon. Non-holographic.
Mine.
Alright, now it's Cam's turn.
Oh, boy.
So Okay, well, here, you don't want to be too rough on it. So open that
I
up.
believe Cam gets the same.
Are they the same cards? Yeah,
Oh,
they're
yeah.
the same.
Let me see. So there's Piplup,
And they're the same booster packs. Showing
Chimchar.
Rain and a Sword and Shield. So we'll start with the Sword and Shield.
No, man, dude.
Goes upside down again. It's alright. Alright, what's the energy?
Fire,
Water.
Turtwig,
Water.
I'm gonna go with fire. It's water.
I
Rose
did-
got it.
Metal Saucer, Salazzle, Hitmonlee.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at him. Who's that in the background? Oh, it's Hitmonchan.
Maractus,
Maractus.
Sabo,
There's Sabo, always looking sad.
Ponyta,
Valerian.
Mawile,
Mawile.
Shelter,
Shelter.
Krabby,
Krabby, I think we have a lot of those. And Sandaconda, non-hollow.
what does that evolve from?
I think Silly Cobra?
Let me see.
Alright.
Chilling Rain.
Chilling Rain. Let's set this over here.
Turtwig,
Turtwig. What's that? Chimchar?
So what is he doing?
Alright. Let's get that out of here. Code card. Alright.
Fire,
Fire. I say electric. What do you say, Ro?
Whatever this
Lightning.
is. Right.
It's
Psychic,
psychic.
Peony, Leiron, Fire Resistant Gloves, Diglett,
Diglett, Rapid Strike.
Golett,
Golett.
Deerling, Sneasel, Farfetch,
I thought I said fart.
Oh, look, Heracross.
Heracross,
Into a Galarian
Weezing,
Weezing.
I have that.
No ultra rares today. But, alright, well, that was a good opening. So, again, we're going to do this giveaway on Twitter. So, look in the description below and follow us on Twitter. Down below in the description.
In the description.
Alright,
Valerian.
thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe the video and click that notification bell so you don't want to miss another video.
What do you say, bud?
Blah blah, Hippopotamus.
Bye!
Bye!